Here I am after 1 year in Ljubljana. Let's take a look at how this year looked like for me. So this is youth center home, which was my home for many hours. There are people playing football. There's a kitchen also. And this is youth center Ulca. Yeah. Here there are breaking sessions. It's a space for you that is usually open. Theater group, which I really enjoyed, had the rehearsals. I also did many other things. For example, I prepared, along with my fellow volunteer David, 2 Spanish summer camps for Slovenian young people, one on the coast. And one near Bled. They were really fun.
Hello, I'm Javi, and we are Sloveni.
We are Sloveni. And we are Sloving it. And we are Sloving it.
And we are Sloveni.
And we are Sloving it. Another thing that I did was to prepare an escape room with the collaboration of another NGO in Ljubljana called Socialna Academia. This was an educational escape room focused on the topic of mental health. And we had more than 80 participants. It was really good. And of course, many other things that it's impossible to summarize in a 1-minute video. And that's it. That was a very, very short summary of what this year was like for me. I can only end with a big thank you to all of you that were part of it. And if you want to experience in your own skin, just go for it. See you.